Hello and thank you all for watching. This is Manny Sunny Sun for a daily astrological report. We begin our astrological report with Friday, May 14, 2015. Mars, the planet of action, the war planet Mars, makes an inharmonious aspect to planet Saturn, which of course denotes the period of time which makes us preserve and also represents our responsibilities, obstacles, and limitations. This aspect of an opposition would be a bad aspect as a response to Saturn, which symbol is to make a person unfeeling, cold, logical. This aspect is at its worst, since the person with Mars, the motivation and the urge and drive with forces of economical and makes a person cruel in the meaning of this aspect. The initial drive is to kill, and if it means taking the life of someone else in a general place of that is its most dejected in life and could suffer greatly under these current influence. If the person is initiating any project, he should start off with the energy that can become most deadly. And if the person is called on, he should suffer the extreme consequence of energies in an effort that many persons may choose to end the life of someone. Um, and in the native life process. So the motivating force is Mars, the planet of, as a whole is taking all these set of divergent energies, which that means taking in a lot of responsibilities by Saturn, and he may be a handicap rather than a walk in the park. Expect things to become very, very dull and drudgery. If you push yourself to the limit, you can very much count that it is required a Spartan energy to accomplish and achieve this. Um, an opposition aspect can manifest as perseverance and determination and colliding with Mars as a motivating force. If you become skilled and competent, you are aware that you can take the heat and the intense pressure at times in order to really see the real value of hard work. Even if it plays out as obstacles and constructing of it, the building up of energy, it is sometimes okay because often the struggles reveal themselves that actual hard work and the challenge pays off. In spite of it all, you are dealing with maturity. If the native tends to be projecting on others, having them you deal with the consequence, which can make the influence hot and cold, you are concerned of what is revealed after whatever seemed probable, will often endure rather than our impulsive, fearing, or whatever we were dealt with in the first hand. You have much to expect in bad situations. You make the problem vanish, but your challenge or fear of this only happens when you have been carrying a chip around your shoulder. If you experience any problem, whatever it was, whether it be loneliness, sadness, the journey is up to you. Time is always on your side. Now you shouldn't expect so much towards others, um, and that the positive aspect would be is to open up to people. It is okay to be closed off from other people's opinions once in a while. You can be very tough though during this current transit. So so don't expect much from from other people. Um, and don't expect much out of yourself either. When you meet with such great force and resistance, at times you will try to come out forth with a sense of refined beauty, to find goodness in life, and rejoice of the world that surrounds you. Because trouble is just the inability to expand and to be an optimist. We tend to see our life in anger and we become stifled in many ways. We, in fact, create frustrations and delays. There's no denying that. Um, Being able to face this can bring an evolutionary step within the environment. This connection and perspective is good. Find it within to receive that love you wish, and you have to get your love first and support in a world that may be lacking that sense of refinement. You may have had issues of no persons that can encourage a sense of honesty and directness and enthusiasm. Of course, be particularly more flexible with issues of death. At any rate, so it is. You may appear as others as logical, sober, and conservative. Practice good courtmanship at this time. You can orient yourself to groups to strive to become a leader and lessen the responsibilities of your own and others. Well, thank you all for watching. This has been a current astrological report. May 14th. Engage in discipline, and you shall receive good gifts. Thank you all for watching.